Hello, this is Sudharshan, and in this episode we'll talk about chapter 44, viral gastroenteritis. So this is a condition that is caused by rotavirus. Okay, so coming to the features of rotavirus, it is a triple icosahedral or cubical capsid organism, and it has a dsRNA which is linear. 11 segments are present and around 6 viral proteins, or I would say 7 viral proteins. And pathogenesis, it is through NSP4 or non-structural protein 4. It is an enterotoxin. As the name suggests, it damages the intestine. And it causes, as I said, gastroenteritis. Gastro is stomach, enterointestine, itis inflammation or infection of the stomach and intestine. We have fever, abdominal pain, diarrhea, vomiting, etc. And mode of transmission is fecal-oral route. Please remember, any gastrointestinal disease, fecal-oral route, mode of transmission. Right, and coming to the diagnosis, we have the detection through electron microscopy. We can see the rotavirus there. And apart from that, molecular techniques, ELISA, PCR. Treatment would be supportive care to correct the fluid and electrolyte balance. And prevention is through vaccination. There are 2 vaccines given for rotavirus. One is Rotavac and another is called as Rotarix. And there are some other agents which are responsible for viral gastroenteritis. Not only rotavirus, even calciviridae, then we have astrovirus, torovirus, etc. So thank you so much. We'll see in the next lesson.